I'm going to show you how I took this character here and put this character on this couch. So what I did was, in Whisk, you can use this box to describe your edits. And what I did was I just typed in edits, remove the woman, and it removed the woman. So you can see it still left her clothes here. I'll do it just so that you can see what it's like. As you can see, it's loading. It's going to generate 2 photos without the woman on the couch, right? So she's removed from the couch. Actually, I think I used this picture. However, you're going to go ahead and select whatever picture you want to use. And that's going to go into scene. Scene is over here. Scene. Make sure it's selected. You want to take the man, make sure he's selected. I'm not sure how I got him alone. I may have cropped it. But you might want to take this prompt just in case it gives you like something crazy. But let's see what it gives us. I already tested this out and I can show you the photos, but I do want to just go through it and show you how it works, like show you how I have to tweak it. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to end up having to edit this because, you know, um, I have to change bedroom to living room. I can take all this other stuff out. I'm changing bed from bed to couch. I'm going to keep the description of the man the same. So he has deep brown skin tone, hair braids that are pulled back, neatly trimmed beard and a mustache. He's wearing light gray, blah, blah, blah. So as you can see, I had to edit a lot of that prompt out and I kept what really matters. And let's see if we get this man sitting on this couch. And this is for one of the scenes that I did for Empires, which is the mini series that I have out right now. Episode 1 and episode 2 are currently out. So as you can see, he's on the couch. All I have to do is prompt him with a phone. So if I want to prompt him with a phone, what I can do is either go to refine or edit. So Whisk is very simple and easy to use. The only thing that I don't really like about Whisk, see, bow, there you go. The only thing I really don't like about Whisk, though, it struggles with realism and, textures, dark circles. Like, it does get very, very close. Like, that's really good. But if we're talking realism, I think Whisk has a little ways to go, not a long way. So yeah, that is my tutorial of how I took that character and put him on this couch using only Whisk. And